Guys, do you know what? Whisk AI is back. Is back for good. And this time you can use it for free. Unlimited, guys. You can use it for free. You can use it to generate the way you are using it before, completely free, guys. And honestly, this changes everything for content creators because I am going to show you how to access Whisk AI once again, guys. Whisk AI is back. So make sure you watch to the end because most people are still doing this the hard way. The hard way, guys. People are still using it the hard way. Now let's jump straight into it. So first, let's log into our Flow AI, guys. You can log into flow.com. It's already here in my screen. It's already here in my screen. So guys, I am going to log in now because I'm using it steady. That's why you're seeing it today. So guys, click on your flow. Click on your flow. Let's run it, guys. Guys, once you enter this platform, your dashboard may look confusing at first, but do not panic, guys. Do not panic because it happens to me also. When I started using Flow, it happens to me also. So do not panic. I'm going to show you how you can use Whisk AI. The next thing you will do now is to click on new projects. Look at it here. Click on new projects. Let's click on it to take us to our Flow AI. You might not immediately see Whisk AI anywhere if you just enter. So guys, in case if you don't have these options here, if you don't have all these options here, guys, you will come down. You will come down. Listen carefully, because this part is important. In case if you are not using your mobile, this part is important, and you are not seeing this part up here. This part up here. If you are not seeing it, what you will do is at the bottom of your screen, you will see collapse. You will see collapse at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, guys. Tap on it. Immediately you tap on collapse. Guys, immediately you tap on collapse, you will see all those things here. Already is in my own. So you are going to see it. Then what you are going to do here now is to click on tools. Click on that tools there. Let's click on it, guys. This is where the real magic starts, guys. This is where the real magic starts. So what you are going to do is to scroll down. Slowly scroll down. Don't be in a haste. Then you scroll. Scroll. This is where the magic happens, guys. Scroll. Scroll. Keep on scrolling until you see what you are looking for. Boom! Guys! Boom! Whisk AI. Boom, guys. Look at it here. Look at it here, guys. This is Whisk AI. I hope you understand, guys. This is Whisk. You are officially inside Whisk AI again. So what you have to do now is to click on it. Click on it. Let's see where it's gonna take us. Boom, guys. We are inside Whisk AI right now. Right now you can start generating your unlimited AI images completely free, guys. Completely free. You understand, guys? This is what completely free. Are you seeing it? We are on Whisk AI, and yes, guys, now you can start generating unlimited AI images completely free, guys. Completely free. See here now, for you to start generating, you can click on show images. As you can see it here, show images. this place. You can click on this place for you to generate consistent images. When you click on this place, let's try it first. Okay, yes guys, when it brings all this is where you are going to add the image that you want your whisk to generate for you consistently. The dressing of the person's face. This place you can use it to generate consistent images. So guys, this update is absolutely insane. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Guys, this is insane, as you can see. Let me give you guys one example to generate one image here. You will come down to this place. You come down to this place, guys. You type whatever you want. You want Whisk AI to give you. Type it here. The kind of image you want AI, you want Whisk AI to give you. So, guys, my prompt now, so that we can generate our image. We have to come down to this place, guys. Come down to here. Paste your prompt. Let's paste our prompt now. I've already copied it. Let me paste it. So I've pasted my prompt now. Let me generate, clicking the black arrow at the corner, guys. In case this is your first time, let's wait for our image to generate. Guys, it is free of charge. It is free, guys, completely free to generate your image, unlimited. Okay, then let's wait for it to generate our image for us, guys. Our image is getting ready. Free, absolutely free, and it's insane. Omo, it's generating. Let's wait, guys. Wow, guys, you can see now our image is ready. Let me zoom it so that you can see it. Are you seeing it? Our image is super ready. If you want this image to be consistent, when you save it, guys, let me show you. When you save this image, click on it steady so that you can save it. Guys, I've saved this image now to my gallery. This image is now in my gallery, guys. If you want to repeat this, exactly these images, the same dressing, the same face, guys, just click on show image here, then import this particular image that's Whisk generated. Import it inside the first box here, inside this particular box here. That is where you are going to import it. Click below it. If you click below this way here, it will show you to import another picture that you want to regenerate. It's going to generate the image for you. So guys, I want you to know, what are you going to create? Guys, tell me. I want you to drop it in the comment section what you are going to create. So drop it in the comment section, and trust me, my next tutorial is going to blow your mind even more. So if you know you have not subscribed to our channel, please kindly do so that you will not miss out when next time we are uploading a new video. So see you in my next one. Bye guys.